Hey there, today I'm going to be talking about sketch symbols and how to create them, but more importantly, how to save them to a centralized library so that you and your team can use them on your drawings moving forward. So sketch symbols are anything that would show up on drawings often that you don't have to redraw every time. So it could be things like, let's say we want the center of gravity in this drawing, so we'll just add a little center of gravity indicator. Nice little symbol there. Or sketch symbols can also just be notes that you don't want to have to retype each time. So it can be a thing like a note. In this example, I'm going to be using this little symbol that indicates the grain direction of this wood. So let me show you how I did that. First thing we need to do is open our drawing resources, expand sketch symbols. I guess you would need to expand it, and define a new symbol. Now this one's going to be a pretty simple one. I'm not going to go too crazy for this. Just going to make a couple arrows on either end of a line, and I guess make them the same size, and then add some text. I'm just going to say this is the grain direction. I want to use a text box for that guy. I'm just going to rotate this like this, and do something like this. Put a little bit of space here. Okay. Now, that's pretty much what I want for that. Just center the text. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Won't bother with any dimensions for now. I'm going to put a center point on the middle of this line, and then I'm going to say that is what I want. And my sketch symbol name, I'm just going to say grain direction. Save. So now I have a sketch symbol over here. It's called grain direction. If I double click on it, it puts it in here. One thing I probably didn't do, so I'll just edit the definition, is I probably didn't set this point to be the insertion point. So you just select that point, say insertion point, and now you have that. And then if you want, you could put a couple grips on here like this. And so if I save those edits, I grab this, you can just see you can pick those points and snap them to things. I think you can snap them to things. Okay, yeah, like a line or something like that. I guess it has to be dimension objects, but this middle one is the insertion point. So the next time I put one of these symbols in, say I want one here, it's snapping to that point. Now, the advantage to this obviously is if I edit the definition of one of these, they all update the same, just like a block in AutoCAD. I don't know why that isn't giving me, yeah, edit. So let's just fill these triangles in so it looks more like a symbol. Save those edits. There you go. Now it's almost the same. Now the really cool thing is, I don't know when they added this feature, but now you can save it to a symbol library. And I just need to create a new library. You're basically just creating a drawing that this folder sits in. You could do this manually, but I'll do it this way. And I'm just going to call this wood drawing. So if I had wood drawings, these are the symbols I'd use. And I'd say save. I guess you could just call this symbol library and then have a new folder under that called wood drawing, so it's not a bunch of different IDW files, but this works for me. So I hit save. Now if I create a new drawing, I got my template, and yeah, we'll use that part. Threw a bunch of views in there, but I don't really care about that right now. I just want to go to my sketch symbols in this drawing, and I want to insert. And so now my symbol libraries shows up as an option here, and I can grab this guy, and now everybody, you know, on my network share or vault or whatever can have access to these same symbols. And you can rotate these things. I think, what do I do here? Yeah, rotate. You just got to double click on it, and let's say 90 in this case. There, that one's good there. A quick little tip. Let me know what you think, and if you have anything to add. Thanks for watching. Bye.